What's going on, guys? It's Steve with another new video today. Hope you guys are all having a great one. I know I am. Quick little conversation I wanted to have, a little discussion, a little speculation about something that happened last night. So as you guys know already, at the D23 convention, it was announced that a Monsters Land is coming to Hollywood Studios. And the big debate that's been swirling online everywhere is where the Monsters Land is going to go. Is it going to go into Grand Avenue or formerly Muppets Courtyard, which would probably mean bye-bye to the Muppets 3D? Or is it going possibly to the Animators Courtyard and Star Wars Launch Bay over there, an area that a lot of people feel is totally underutilized in some of those buildings behind Launch Bay. Actually, talking about Muppets, me and my wife and child on Thursday, we went to do Muppets 3D, something we haven't done in a long time. I haven't done it since they put the new, or reupholstered all the theater seats and put some projection mapping up on the walls to interact with the film and so forth. I thought it was awesome. I forgot how pretty that theater is inside, too. Like, it feels like an old school theater, just the architecture design inside. So anyway, had a blast. My little girl had never done Muppets 3D before. She was laughing. I a couple times had to be like, honey, shh, you can be excited, but control yourself a little bit. She was enjoying it thoroughly. So, but anyway, the purpose of today's video is late last night, I was getting ready to go to bed. I was on Twitter, X, and I saw an interesting tweet started circulating, and it was from a gentleman here. Let's pull it up here real quick. It's from a gentleman that works for Disney, and his offices are apparently at Hollywood Studios. And here, I'll just read it. He says, "We were recently informed that we'll be leaving our offices in Hollywood Studios. Is it related to some of the D23 announcements? I honestly don't know. I'll still be on property, but want to be able to walk into the park anytime I want." Okay. Why this tweet started circulating and really the speculators started speculating even more and gears started turning is because, first of all, I've never worked at Hollywood Studios. I've never worked for Disney. So, okay. But apparently behind Star Wars Launch Bay, some of those buildings behind Star Wars Launch Bay do house Disney offices and so forth. So the speculation has been that if the Monsters Land were to go to Animators Courtyard in Star Wars Launch Bay, that it would probably take over some of those buildings behind that do house Disney employees and stuff. So a lot of people were like, oh, wait a minute. There you go. Like, if the gentleman's been told that he won't be returning to his offices anymore soon in Hollywood Studios, that must be because Monsters Land is going there. That's how I took it and understood it. That's how a lot of folks did too. I don't think this gentleman intended for his tweet to blow up. I don't think it was intended to blow up because he ended up this morning when I got up, I checked Twitter and he had deleted this tweet. And he wrote this. So he said, "Yesterday I shared a personal reflection that was unfortunately led to some misinterpretations and unfounded speculations about my employer. To prevent any further misunderstanding, I have decided to delete the original post. For clarity, I will not share non-public information about the company or its products. If you followed me expecting insider info, you may want to reconsider. My social media presence is not a source for such contact. Thanks for understanding." So, it sounds like the tweet, maybe I would say everything's back on the table again after that. Like the tweet got deleted. So at first when the tweet came out last night, some people were like, oh, well, maybe this is like a little wink, wink. You know, don't worry, Muppets is fine. This is where Monsters Land is going. But apparently that's not what it was, or at least that's not what it appears like it was this morning. It looks like it was just an honest, tweet in good faith by a gentleman that it went viral, that it didn't mean to go viral. So he deleted it and made sure that he stated that this is not how any information would ever go out and that he wouldn't be the one putting out that type of information. So I would say then at this point, everything is still on the table. Muppets is still technically maybe not safe. Animators Courtyard is maybe not safe. Yeah. But we'll find out here. Eventually, at some point, Disney will have to let the world know where Monsters Land is going. If anything, maybe they are like looking at some of the feedback they've been getting from Disney fans and folks in general, and maybe they're still just trying to decide where they want to locate this new land and where they're going to put it. But anyway, that was the deal. Last night that tweet came out. I was like, oh yeah, Muppets is going to be okay. But then this morning it was deleted, retracted, so forth, and I guess everything is still on the table. So that's a wrap on the video, guys. So it was a quick little one. I just wanted to share this little piece of info, where that information came from, because you may see today swirling around that Monsters Land is going to Animator's Courtyard, but just know that that tweet was deleted, and the gentleman that initially put it out pretty much pulled it all back. So, anyway, that's a wrap on the video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you sub to the channel. Notifications are on. Comment down below. Do you think the tweet meant something, and it just now it's pulled to even create more mystery? I don't know. I don't think so either. I don't think so personally. I think it was just a tweet that was tossed out there that went viral. But anyway, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. See you all soon in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.